Find or read reviews that people are talking about VEVOR 52PCS custom bushing bearing and seal driver set. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Complete bearing press kit. Our custom bushing bearing and seal driver set includes 49 pieces discs from 18mm/0.7 inch to 65mm/2.6 inch, in 1mm/0.04 inch increments, along with a 74mm/2.9 inch large disc. You also get a handle, extension head, hex wrench, and other accessories for comprehensive coverage of bearing removal needs. Built to last. Crafted from high-hardness steel, our bushing press kit is built to resist deformation and damage. The thick disc sleeves and non-slip handle can handle the force of a hammer or chisel. Plus, the black oxide coating ensures rust resistance and durability. Damage-free operation. Assemble the handle and disc quickly and securely with screws. This design prevents the loosening of the disc and minimizes the risk of damaging bearings or other components. No need to use the inefficient and harsh hammer or chisel. Efficient storage. Say goodbye to custom bushing, bearing, and sealed drive tool clutter with our high-toughness waterproof plastic box. It's designed with internal dividers to neatly organize and differentiate various sleeve sizes, ensuring each component is safely stored and easy to carry wherever you go. Multi-purpose utility. With a wide range of sizes and a long handle, our bearing and seal driver kit simplifies the disassembly and replacement of wheel bearings for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, SUV, and more. The bearing race and seal driver set is a perfect companion for both auto repair professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.